buddy.
Hey, buddy. What you want to talk about?
Well, we're going to do a review of the sound wall, what we've done so far, and where we're going.
Where we're headed. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about our whole sentence approach.
Oh,
So the lion loves large lemons.
So the idea is to have a sentence for each picture to help with the sound recognition and re-emphasizing the picture.
And that's why the rabbit read among the red roses. Red roses coming soon. This is Yolanda yanked the yellow yarn. Where's the wheezy whistle? A whiskered whistle. It's hiding in the wheat. Wheat is
coming.
The walrus waiter wore a watch. The waiting walrus wore a watch.
The waiter walrus.
Whichever.
Yeah, that's a great thing.
The horse had Hazel. The horse had healthy hair, something like that. The monkey made a milkshake on a Monday. The gnarly nest was full of knots.
New nest.
The gnarly new nest was full of knots.
The gnarly new nest. Yeah.
Gnarly new nest was full of knots. The ring went bling bling in the wrestling ring.
It'll have blings on it.
Oh, there'll be bling. There will be bling. Okay, and that brings us to stops.
Yeah.
So this covered the liquids.
Slides, nasals.
And now we're going to do stops.
Unvoiced. Well,
unvoiced stops. So we've got Penguin presented a pickle on the purple platter.
Yeah.
The tiger tucked a tea into his top hat. We figured that one out on the last production diary. The kitty kept the candy in the cracked cup.
Cracked black cup, right?
But if we did cracked, did we need? What is this one?
Yeah, because it has CK.
CK. Okay, the black.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
But it doesn't have to be cracked.
Oh, it can't be cracked.
It can't be cracked.
I guess it could.
Well, it could be the black. Well, that's the thing. It's just an extra hint.
Okay.
It's got a crack.
In a black.
It's an extra hint.
Cup. Okay.
But it's a black. So the kitty kept the candy in the black cup.
Yeah. With a crack.
It does have a crack.
I like this. And the candy's going to be colorful.
Colorful
and
candy.
Shiny.
Oh, yeah, that's what. So a lot of this will be actual light color.
Oh, yeah.
For fear not.
It's cute.
Okay. The chicken. Wait, what is it?
Chick.
No, it's a chicken. It's clearly a chicken. We might put a chick. But it's for sure a chicken.
Chicken made a batch from scratch.
The chicken made a batch of chocolate chips from scratch.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the chicken. Okay.
So there's the chocolate chips. We probably will put some chicks around.
Gonna need some chicks.
We'll have some chicks.
So
the chicken and the chick.
So okay.
No, just the chicken made.
Well, I can have a chick here looking.
Yeah.
Maybe a chick here pecking.
Yeah.
Or maybe a peeping chick. So there's chick options.
Oh, this is cute.
The dog dumped the donut. The dotted dog. The dog dumped donuts onto the desk.
And this is a Dalmatian.
It is a Dalmatian.
And this is for the voiced.
It's also dog if you want to go simple.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've got the goofy goat gulped the gumbo.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know you did that too. I love the little accessories.
Secret.
Yeah, so that's gumbo. He's gulping. It's a sound.
And it's a goofy goat. And then that brings us to the jelly beans jumped from the edge of the jar.
It's very cute.
So all we have left here is the ball, which we're going to do. The ball bit the bat on the base. And so it's going to be a bunch of little balls biting a bat.
Okay, so we just went over what we've done for liquid, slides, nasals, unvoiced, invoiced, stops. And now we're trying to brainstorm what we're going to do with continuance. The unvoiced is what we're starting with. So we know we need a sound, and that has fish in it. We know we need a sound, that's thumb, and a sound that has a snake on it, and a sound which has a shell on it. So we are
We're gonna figure
trying to brainstorm what the picture will be, or the image will be, and we are trying to think of a sentence. So,
all right, let's start with, okay, so we're doing the shell. So let's just get some words and then we'll try to come up with a sentence. So the shell, we had a sheet.
We had sheet, shell, shiny, shoe.
Shoe.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do some thumbs. Thumbs, thorn.
Thorn. That's cute. Oh.
Thick.
Thick. Look, I'm just repeating you. I'm like your hype crew.
Should we look up?
Thick, thorn, thumb.
Thimble. Mm-hmm. Oh, thumb on a thimble. Thimble with thumb. Thorn. Oh.
All right, let's keep going.
All right, let's write thimble.
Okay, let's do.
Okay, F like so we got a fish.
Fish.
Friendly. No, that's F R.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid blends if we're just teaching one phoneme, one sound.
We want pure phonemes here. We don't want muddy phonemes.
It's a phoneme only.
F. Okay, F. Fish.
Fiddle.
Fiddle. Oh, fiddle. Ooh.
How cute. The fish and the fiddle.
Okay, fish have fins though.
Oh, fins.
The fish's fins. Oh, fiddled with his fins. The fish fiddled with his fins. And then it's got a fiddle. I'll just have to do really long fins.
Yeah, but that's like in a cartoon. You're an illustrator. You got it.
Okay, I think we're on to something here.
Okay, I'm excited about that.
What about, is it a funny fish?
Oh.
And maybe he's got a clown wig on. The funny fish fiddles with his fins.
Why would it have a clown wig on? Because it's funny. You'd have to really.
Honk, honk.
Oh, what was that?
That was a clown honk. I didn't put my heart
a clown honk.
I didn't put my heart for funny.
That was funny.
I didn't put my heart
into it.
into
It was funny.
I didn't put my heart into it.
Okay, here we go. Do we have that one now, or?
Okay, the fish, the funny fish, the fun fish, it could be a fat fish, but we don't.
It's okay to say fat.
Is it okay to say that?
Yeah, we just say we don't call other people that.
Let's just avoid it entirely. I think we're okay. The fish fiddled with his fins.
Yeah. All right. What's the other one? That one came pretty easy.
Okay, so we've got a bunch of different sounds.
The thing that concerns me about this one is it has a sound. You're teaching a sound.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
It's an SN blend.
I know, but it's just the sound that it's trying to teach.
What is it? Is ours? Do we have an SN blend?
Yeah, snake, sneezing
I
snake.
was kidding.
I'm okay. I mean, I think we have to incorporate a snake, but
we're trying to avoid blend. Okay, so
are there any words that? Okay, well, yes.
Sick.
Sick, sail.
Sail.
Mhm. Nice has this. You can't show nice though. Ice.
Well, he could be nice. He could be nice.
Ice.
Ice. Nice.
Rice. For this sound at CE. Floss. Because it has the SS sound too, but you can't. It's gonna be too much. So I think we just focus on this sound. Okay, so snake, sneaky, snake.
But it's the N.
I know.
Okay, so it says
Sizzle.
Sizzle. Okay,
Can we come back to that one?
Well, maybe not though. The nice snake sizzled rice. You know, like a stir fry.
Spicy rice.
Spicy rice. Oh.
Because it has the CY.
Ooh. Hold on. We'll put a chef hat on a snake. Right? So the snake sizzled spicy rice.
Okay, that's pretty cute.
The snake sizzled spicy.
I wish we had another.
Nice. Ooh, okay. The snake sizzled a nice and spicy rice.
Okay, that's cute.
What? Sizzled a nice and spicy rice.
Okay.
And then we could maybe put things in the rice that have that sound, the S sound, just as a bonus.
Like celery.
Celery.
Seaweed.
Seaweed.
Well, it's a rice. I mean, it's a snake making rice.
It's whatever we want it to be.
Okay.
What is it?
Shh. We're the creators of this.
We're the music makers.
Ooh, that sounded gross. Sorry, I said that. We're the creators of this.
Ooh, I look elegant in my posture
I
chair.
look like a troll.
My posture chair.
Like I'm way down here.
And I'm trolled over on it. Yeah. Oh yeah, did you see that? That was classy moves.
Welcome to the big show. Okay.
Okay, I'm really excited about the fish.
You are. Oh, I thought you were gonna say.
The fish fiddled with his fins.
That's cute. We'll think of a few more words for
Snake
that.
sizzled a nice and spicy rice. Sauteed.
Oh, I like that. Write that down because I want another sound.
Sauteed.
A nice and spicy rice. The nice snake sauteed a spicy rice.
I don't like nice snake. It doesn't flow very well.
Nice and spicy is cute.
But I'm not opposed to the snake having a feature. The something snake. Thus, sous chef.
Okay, we'll come back.
We'll come back.
We got. Did you write sauteed down though?
Did. What is the spelling of sauteed?
S-A-U-T. I think it's E-E-D. Sauteed.
We'll have to check on that.
Okay. Shh.
Oh. Okay, shell. We got shell, sheet, shiny, shoe. For some reason, I think shoe has now ruined me on thinking of SH words. Okay, shell, shiny,
Ship.
ship. Huh.
Because shell and ship.
Right. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
So what are some more? Ship. I already said it. Ship, shell.
Shiny, ship, shiny sheets. Oh, the sheet, like the sail. A sail has sheets, like sheets of the sail.
Shore.
Short.
No, shore.
I know, but I just thought we would bonus short.
Oh.
Okay. Shell on the shore with shiny shoes. The shell on the shore.
The shell's on the shore. The shell is on the shore with.
I would like the verb to be have the sh sound. You know what I mean? So the shells on the
Shipwrecked. Is that a verb?
I don't know. Maybe you're getting whoa.
Mm-hmm. It might be like an adverb.
That's more of a third grade thing. Okay, the shell. Here's what I'm getting at. Like you can have the shells on the shore, something shiny shoes, and it would be neat if that something was an sh word.
Shared.
Shared shiny shoes. Ooh, the shells on the shore shared shiny shoes, and so it's a bunch of shells, and they're all in a row, and there's a bunch of shoes that don't match.
Could the shells have shoes on them?
Yes. You know, kind of at the bottom. You know, like here's my shoe. Like this is gonna be quick and dirty, but then I'm a shell.
Okay, that's what I was thinking.
Something like that.
Let me show the camera.
You know, it's and the same with like even the sort of the what? Okay, so you got those twisty shells, like a snail shell.
Yeah.
You use snail shell, And it has just shoes under it. Shoes,
Okay.
and then you've got that kind of, you know, that kind of what is it, like a conch shell kind of thing?
Yes.
You do shoes. There's got to be something better. What's better
Wow.
than shoes? I don't know. It's something better than shoes. They could have something else other than shoes. Just
Shoestring.
explore what's there. Well, that's we haven't gone far. Okay.
Shrimp? No, I keep saying that.
It's okay. Just go with it.
Well, shrimp have to do with shells.
Okay, the shells on the shore.
Shred? No, these are all the... We don't want SHR. Share, she, short, shed.
Shed? Share to shed on the shore?
Can't say show it very well.
Shed?
I know,
got a
but
rickety shed.
How will you see it's a shed?
They're hanging out on a shed.
Not a house or a barn.
Well, I'll give it the kind of a leany roof.
Shanty.
Shanty. Oh, shanty.
Then you gotta explain shanty.
Well, that's a new word. We all get a new word. Gumbo. You're going to have to cover gumbo.
Yeah.
But gumbo's a fun word. Everyone should know gumbo. 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 Right?
Yeah.
And so what was the word?
I don't know.
Shanty. Well, a SpongeBob, and there's some sort of a shanty there? A little shanty by the sea on the shore?
Let's keep going.
A little shanty on
I'm
the
writing it down.
shores of the sea.
Shanty.
Shanty. The shells shared a shanty on the shore.
Is there a food that starts with shells? No.
Shiny. All right, we're going to shut this down. Shish kebab. Shish kebab.
That's not SH.
Ah, fart. Dart. Pardon my French.
Is that a two? You broke it at first.
Well, just for the
For viewers.
for the sake of the tender ears. Okay, well, I feel
Okay, do we have it? We did it.
Well, we don't have.
We didn't do TH. Thick thumbs.
We probably should get the other sounds in there.
No, it's on another. It's
Oh,
on
it
the
is.
voice chord.
Ah. Thick. Thwarted. Theremin. Thistle. Thorn.
What's a thistle?
Some sort of a thorny thing, right? Thistle. You can make a thistle. Get a thistle like the little Scottish thistle, the purple little flower, like
Yeah.
our Braveheart.
Oh yeah. Okay. Thick thimble.
I think we're gonna get a thumb,
Thorn.
thimble, thorn.
I think that's it.
A thick thumb.
Because they all have to do with that thumb. Because you're gonna put you put the thimble on so you don't get something on your
That's with the
thick
needle,
thumb.
though. We're gonna. I don't know, man. So thick thimble, thorn.
Thumb.
Thrust a thimble. Thrust.
That's that
Thumb.
traveling though.
Ah.
So thrust no.
We may need to look up let's look up a list of TH
I know.
words.
Why is that hard to think of? Okay. Well, this is we got a good start.
All right.